Welcome children. Today is the continuation of the chapter The Mice and the Elephants. So last day we studied that due to the elephants, many of the mice died because they came under the feet of the elephants. Now let us proceed. The mice were very sad. They held a meeting. So why they were sad? Because many of them died coming under the feet of the elephants. These elephants will kill us all, they cried. What shall we do? So the mice in the meeting, what they said? That if like this the things would go on, so the elephants will kill us all. We all will come under their feet. Then we have to do something. Then what we shall do? Some of the mice went to the elephants. They said, "Oh friends, we live under the palace floor. If you walk over the floors on the way to the lake, you will kill us all. Please go along another path. One day we may help you." So some of the mice, they went to the elephant and they requested, "Please friend, you choose another path for your way, because on that floor, if you walk over those floor, you will kill many of the mice who are living under that floor. If you help us today, then another day we may help you." After hearing this, the elephant king and his herd listened to the mice. At last, they agreed to use another path. So the king of the elephant and the group, they listened what mice said and they agreed. They said, "Okay, yes, we will use another path." So agreed means they said, or they said yes, or they said they agreed. Now one day the elephant king and his herd were trapped in the forest by some hunters. They were tied up with ropes. Luckily, one of the elephants was not trapped. He ran through the forest and called the mice. Hundreds of them came to help the elephants. They beat the ropes and at last the elephants were free. The elephants thanked the mice and they remembered the old saying, "Make friends, always make friends, however strong or weak." So one day in the forest, what happened? Some hunters came and they trapped the elephant king and his herd. The full group was trapped. Trapped means they were caught and they were tied with a rope. But one elephant was left out from that group and he remembered what the mice said, that they can help them anytime. So he ran quickly to the mice and told what happened to the elephants. And then and there the mice came and they beat the ropes and at last the elephants were all free. So they saved the elephants from the trap. And from this we come to understand that after this reading the chapter, what we have learned, that we should make friends. It may be strong or weak. We should not make friends looking at their quality, because anyhow, any day we can get help from any of the friends. They may be weak or strong. So today we will keep it up to this. Today from here the difficult word we get are agreed and trapped. And the full chapter, the difficult words that we get are palace, cracks, comfortable, feast, herd, whole, agreed, trapped. Thank you.